Don't confuse multimodal AI with multitasking. It's not about doing many things, it's about understanding many types of information. Multimodal AI means a system can process and combine different types of inputs like text, images, audio, and even video at the same time. Think about how humans work. We don't just read text. We see images, hear sounds, and understand context all together. Multimodal AI tries to do the same thing. Products like ChatGPT or Google Gemini and DeepSeek are great examples. You can upload an image, ask a question with text, or even speak, and the AI understands all of it together. Imagine you take a picture of your homework and ask, "Can you explain this?" The AI reads the image, understands the text, and gives you an answer. And that right there is multimodal in action. From a product manager's perspective, multimodal unlocks better user experience. Users don't need to think about how to input. They just use whatever feels natural. This lowers friction and makes AI more powerful and easier to use. Multimodal is a big step toward more human-like AI, and it's becoming the default in modern AI products. This is AI Product Talk. Subscribe for more AI terms explained for the business world.